Working out?
Yeah.
No. Well, yeah. Oh, it's very hip. When I first got in, I thought it was very like empty, but it's like your first time here too, right?
Yeah, I usually don't. Well, when you have kids, you know,
Yeah.
I mean, this part of your life is kind of like,
It's like
shut
over.
down. But well, I mean, I live a good life during my college year, and otherwise, you know, enjoy hanging out with friends. And when I notice like the older I get, I just drawn into more nature stuff like hiking, not so much on this, you know. Oh well, if I go to Thailand, yeah, like hang out with my old friends. Korea is like they have something like this too, right? I don't know.
Korea?
In Seoul?
Yeah, it's like packed, but not like hippish like this. It's just so loud, like lots of cool like lighting. It's like Thailand. You know how they have so many like neon lights. In Hongdae, they got something called like Hongdae. It's like very like similar, I guess, a little bit, somewhat. Have you ever been to New York?
Long time ago. Actually, New York was the first city that I for this when I first got here.
Oh, really?
I went to New York first. Okay.
Where in New York?
Just downtown New York, like.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Thank you for everything.
Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. 저기 앞에 있네요. 의자. I'm already tired. Oh my gosh.
No, I'm gonna tell you because of elevation.
Yeah.
You probably don't get used to it. I don't recommend you to kind of like go like a lot, just to get a nice view, and then you can drive like they have a road up there, and then you know you can get like a panoramic.
Okay.
Picture.
This is my first time like walking trail.
But because if you never walk like trail in this elevator, like high altitude, you're gonna feel it.
Yeah. Wow. I love this view.
Yeah, Boulder is not that far from Denver. You know, it's very like reasonable commute.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of hiking trail.
Yeah.
Along the Flatiron area. And if you remember the Red Rocks, right? If you take I-70 up to the mountain, there's so many hiking spots.
I-70?
I-70, yeah.
I don't even know all the highways in California.
Oh my
You
God.
tell me all the highway numbers.
Is the traffic bad?
Traffic's the worst. It's actually worse than New York.
Really?
Yeah.
California?
LA has the worst traffic.
Well, quite often, like if I have time, because it's easy to come. There's so many like very friendly people.
지금 걸은 지 한 3분 됐거든요. 너무 힘들어. 벌써 힘들어요, 지금. 한 6학년 이후로 처음이에요.
It's like it's all like a front range area.
아,
The whole Colorado on the west side.
Cause you know, like I'm so used to looking at like bikini models, and then if I look at regular girls, that doesn't work out. You know.
Yeah, we can go there. Going far.
Oh wow. 아 너무 힘들어. 죽겠어 지금. 산 너무 잘 타요. 산 너무 잘 타. 그리고 이거 끝나고 운동도 간대요. 그래서도 운동도 가야 될 것 같아서도. 비행기가 10시니까 오늘 하루 종일 하이킹하고 운동하고 가야 되겠습니다. 나 오케이. 바로 옆에가 지금 낭떠러지. 이렇게 낭떠러지가 있어요.
Rice. I feel like I eat rice more than you yesterday.
No, I ate like 2 bowls. 1.5. 그래도 이 친구가 프로틴 바를 가져와서 그나마 살 것 같네요. 물도 조금 줬어요. Sorry for taking all your protein stuff.
Well, it's
Get it dropped?
no, it's like pieces. No. Here, you. Hold on, I have wipes. Here, just take it. Yeah, that whole thing. Yeah, there. Now that
프로틴
it's
바
hot.
먹겠습니다. I always didn't get the reason why people buy those like camel water pack. Now I know why.
Yeah, the one with the backpack, right? I don't have it. I want to buy one.
What kind of protein bar is this?
This one,
So dry.
it's all.
바로 다시 직진해서 꼭대기까지 올라가겠습니다. 끝나고 또 운동을 간대요. 미친 거죠.
Pack straps. It's all so wet.
Oh, my back is wet.
Sweaty.
Yeah. 거의 다 온 것 같은데 끝이 안 보이네요. 온몸이 땀으로 젖었어요. 어떻게 올라가 이거? Maybe like cross this right here.
You can go, yeah.
어떻게 가려고 그러지? 지금 길을 몰라서 지금 그냥 앞에 사람들 지금 같이 가는데 따라가고 있어요. It's like the best butt workout.
It's like a unilateral workout.
What's up?
When you do leg exercise,
Yeah.
make sure not just do like minor compound, but do the single leg stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It helps strengthen your.
길을 몰라서 그냥 여기서 그냥 다 왔다 칠게요. 이 정도면 다 온 거니까 위로 못 올라가. 길이 없어 길이. 와 진짜 죽인다.
You want to
하이킹
go?
다 끝났어요. We're done hiking. 하이킹 다 끝났어요. 이제 밥 먹으러 가고 같이 밥 먹고 이제 헬스장 갔다가 저는 이제 준비하고 이제 공항 가야죠. 관광식 파는 데나 봐요. 여기서 밥 먹으려고. 뭐 파는지는 잘 모르겠는데 샐러드 비슷하게 파는 건데. 와 이거 뭐 하나 시켰는데 28불이나 나왔어. 28불. 치킨 스트로베리 샐러드랑 브라운 라이스 시켰어요. 바로 먹고 운동 가려고 하는데 이게 28불이고 이 친구는 스테이크, 밥, 가지. Dressing is really good. Dressing. I feel like French.
It's expensive hobby, though.
다 먹었어요. 다 먹고 이제 운동 가려고 밥도 시키고 지금 했는데 바로 운동 가서 운동 조금 하다가 이제 갈 준비해야 되니까
헬스하러 가겠습니다. 이제 바로 헬스장 가서 그 친구랑 같이 운동하고